Hey there, so if your LG C3 is not bright enough, the one thing that you can try to do multiple things is that you want to turn on the TV and you want to go to settings, just click on the settings button on remote control, and then from the settings you want to select all settings. Then you want to select picture, advanced settings, select brightness, select OLED pixel brightness, and then you just want to adjust the brightness. So this is the first thing that you can try. Another thing that you can try to do, and this is something that I read, is that you want to turn off the echo mode. So search for the settings where you can find the echo mode. This is something I found on Reddit. And then it's usually on by default and it's not that great. And also AI brightness. That was on my default on my LG C3 too. So these are the two things that I found, and maybe one of it or like some of it is going to help you. If it's not, I'm sorry, I just tried to like find these like tips and things on how you can fix the issues that you have. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and have a great day. And goodbye.